Hi guys, mabilis ang tutorial lang ito guys. Okay, so ang title nito ay Gawing Langit ang Mundo ng Shackle. Mali yung chords A, tapos C sharp minor, tapos D, tapos D minor, saka E. Tapos tanggalin ito E7. Okay, meron ding B minor. Okay. So yung strumming, down, down, up, up, down, down. Puro down, down, up, up, down, down. Down, up, up, down, down. B minor, D minor, down. Okay. So ganito guys. Verse. Di nila naririnig na naing C sharp minor sa barong-barong D. Dahil palasyo nila may matibay na bubong. Hindi na naririnig mga kumalam na dyan. Di tulad ng mesa nila maging may handaan. Ikaw ba naririnig o may sila? Ikaw ba? Yung last ay yan. Then chorus na. Gawing langit, gawing langit na makakaya natin si sharp minor. Yan. Sa simula di at ako D minor hanggang maging lahat na tayo. Okay, gandang masdan sa bawat taong nagugutom at nahihirapan. Meron matutulungan. Tapos E7. Oh, gawing langit ang mundo. Then back to intro. Yan. Verse guys, the same chords, the same strumming pattern. So yan lang guys, 2 minutes lang. Thank you guys. 3 minutes pala. Thank you guys. Don't forget to watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys.